Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to embed the link to the various social platforms, or how we can see in the real scenarios to how does it work. So what we do when we go to the pic generator, uh, it will open as a default like this. We go to the link and copy the link that is provided and embed in its your website. Here it is my demo website which I created for just to show you guys. And here you can add the link for it, like I've added. Okay, and when we go to the website, this button which I have named schedule to pickup is embedded with the link, and this is the demo website which I am using. When I click on it, the same form will be opened as I have mentioned in the previous videos, and we can use this link in various platforms also. Just as a WhatsApp, you can send a WhatsApp message to all customers or clients just so they can pick a schedule pickup through it, or we can use an ad banner like this on the various platforms such as Instagram, Facebook. An ad when a customer or a person will hit click on it, the same form will be opened, and the process will be the same, in which the customer will enter the number, and let's say the customer enter the number which is a new one. So a new customer will open it, and they will get the three fields: name, street, locality, and the Google Map address, which they have to search here and add it to the board. And that's how, and further the same process is mentioned here. So the same process goes through here, and the pickup will be scheduled from here. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.